guys, what's up everybody? This is your friend Asta Ismail. How are you all doing on Navratri? It's Navratri, just imagine. Okay, so this is a very beautiful festival, right? The next few days are so amazing for all of us. We fast. This is such an amazing time to just spend with your family. I honestly love these days because we used to follow so many traditions at my home. I love it, and I'm sure it happens everywhere. So this day cannot go off if you are not styled up and all decked up. And after this whole coronavirus, I mean, this is an amazing day to just get all set, get all ready, and well, yeah. If I have got all decked up for you guys, if you like it, please go ahead and watch this video because I am 100% sure that you would be in love with this look. I am, okay? I'm sure you would be. So I'm wearing a beautiful anarkali, which I'll just show you in my pictures, and I'm wearing some very traditional South Indian jewelry, a very beautiful traditional South Indian bindi. I cannot stop bragging about it, okay? I love it so much. If you guys do, then let's, without any further, let's get on with the video. So let's begin. First thing, I'll be applying some primer. Here I'll be using Patanjali aloe vera gel because the climate that is here in Bangalore, this is the primer that would suit the best. You can like water-based primer, You can also go ahead with Lakme primers. I love Lakme. Like I always used to use Lakme primers when I was in Delhi, but this suits really well in the climate I am in Bangalore, and I personally love it also. So it gives you the required amount of hydration, and I've also moisturized my skin really well before I'm starting my makeup, which just helps you to get really smooth coverage. Okay, so don't forget your neck, alright? Okay. Next, I'll be using an amazing foundation which I recently found. It's Nykaa Skin Shield. I am in, just a second, okay, I'm in something honey, okay, so I'll just name it down below in the, comments down below, okay. So what I really love about this particular foundation is that it doesn't give you that oily base. It's very, very natural to your skin. Also, it's anti-pollution, provides deep hydration, and it controls oil on your face, excess oil on your face, which we all have experienced. Come on, guys, you know this thing. And the best part about it is you don't need a lot of foundation, and the best part about this foundation is that you don't need a concealer with it. So this is the amount I'm using, right? Let's see how it works. I'm also trying for the first time only, but I've heard really nice reviews about it. I think I took a little bit more than was required. So guys, whenever you think, this is a cheat trick that I always do, whenever you think you've used a lot of foundation or something, now then go back on your neck, okay? It's really handy. It's something I always do, always, because you got to use your foundation. You can just throw it off, right? It's pretty costly. I'm using a brush to blend this. It is very handy. You can even use your hands to blend your foundation. Forgive me if you see some darkness sometimes because I am shooting this video in completely natural light, okay? Just to show you a real-time effect of these products. Because there are a lot of you who say, not just to me but to other people also, other beauty bloggers, that this is what I have also seen myself being in the situation of, that because of ring lights and these artificial lights, we are really not able to see how the product is actually formed on your face. So this is a completely real-time view of how it happens and how it looks. So you guys can see this has given me a completely natural look. I don't think so you guys can even see that I have applied foundation. It's so natural. This is the best thing about it. Okay, so yeah, I have forgotten my upper eyelids, I'll be using a little concealer from Maybelline, and it's a very beautiful concealer, which is, I have almost finished it. This is my second tube. Believe me, I love it so much. And it's a very cost-effective product also. You know, the best part about this concealer is so till the time it gets settled, okay, so you really do not need, you know, some powder to just fix it in. It's such a natural foundation, which I mean, I cannot stop talking about this foundation. It's so beautiful. Okay, so I'll be directly going to my brows. I have got this amazing product from Miniso. It looks like this. Oh my, okay. This is, I use it in brown, right? And just imagine, it also has a brush along with it. It's such a handy product, again very cost effective. You will surely fall in love with it. I mean, just look at the tip, if you guys can see. This would completely, you know, just soothe your eyebrow shape. I just so much love it, okay? It's up to you if you want thick eyebrows or thin eyebrows, or you just want to fill them in. Completely up to you. I really love thick eyebrows. I mean, I'm 100% fan of it, so don't judge me on that. Cannot stop brushing my eyebrows. I mean, look at it. Just imagine how much this one product has lifted my eyebrows. This is, I mean, this is why I love it, okay? Let me quickly do my other eyebrow and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so I'm done with my eyebrows. I've brushed them really well and I really love what I see. Next, I'll be going right to my eyes. It's a festive season, right? We are having Navratri and it's all about colors. It's all about, you know, it's so beautiful. I mean, I personally love this thing. So I am going to go a little extra. I'll be dropping my Nude Shades Love and I'll be switching on to this amazing LA Colors Rose Palette. Okay, I love my products, believe me. I mean, I just cannot stop adorning them. Look at these products. You will find every beautiful shade in this world in these products. I love it. Like, I'm a person who doesn't, you know, use every product in this world. I'm very particular about what I'm using, so I love it. Just give me a second. I'm just trying to get my hands on my brushes. Okay, I did. So I'll be using 3 brushes here, right? Because we are going to go a little extra, right? So first I'll be using this brush, right? And I'm gonna do my base first. So I'll be using this neutral brown color just to provide the base, you know. So it's a very basic color. There's nothing too extra about it. Just something that, you know, it would just give you a very natural effect. I'll just put my camera a little forward so that you guys can see it, what exactly how it looks like. Guys, I'm sure you guys can see it now. This is a very minimal base, right? I'm not right now going extra because, you know what, you should start with a very minimal base. You should never go extra and, you know, destroy your entire eye, specifically if you're a beginner. Next, I'll be going now with a darker shade. Now, this is a darker brown color, right? And just apply it on your crease, that's it. So this is what I feel, obviously, when you are a beauty guru, which I am not, okay? I just am a regular girl who knows how to do different things very effectively, okay? This is me. So the thing is that if you're a very smart person, believe me on this thing, you can actually do your entire eye makeup with just one brush. Believe me on this thing. I know there are a lot of people who will be like, no, that's not possible. I mean, come on, be handy, do finish off things, right? There's no logic of, you know, using 10 brushes for no reason. Come on, so many of you would agree with me, trust me. If you do, comment down below, okay? Let's have a discussion on this. So it has given me a beautiful shade. Right now, as I told, I won't stop today. No matter what happens, I'm going a little extra, going on with this amazing maroonish, it's very sparkly maroonish color, right? And just apply it on the center of my eye, just to give that beautiful effect of the festive season. Do not forget to complete the look with a beautiful brown shade on my lower eye. Perfect. This is so perfect. Okay, so I personally feel you cannot complete an Indian eye look until unless you have applied an eyeliner. Here I'm using a Maybelline eyeliner. It's a very handy eyeliner, very cost effective. Again, I'm saying very something that stays on your face for a very long period of time. I start working at probably 9 or 10, 9ish, 10ish, okay, and I come back home after 7, right, and it stays, it doesn't get removed. So now you guys can see how effective this product is. I love amazing eyeliners, believe me. I've tried L'Oreal, I've tried Maybelline, I've tried Lakme, and all of them are really amazing, but for now this is my love, okay. So let me just apply it. I'll be doing a cat eyeliner, a little cat eyeliner. Start with your inner eye. Right. And go exactly to the extent where you're comfortable in doing. Like this, I really think this is enough. Oh my gosh, what a difference it has created. Just imagine how elongated it has done. How much my eyes are looking elongated. Just imagine. I mean, look at the difference. This is why I love wearing eyeliners with Indian wear. Now the only problem that comes here is matching both the eyes. Okay, so this is a little elongated. And guys, believe me, this one thing you will not be able to enjoy until unless you have spent years of practice in this. So I started applying my eyeliner when I was in my graduation. Okay, perfect. I like it. I can go a little like, see, I told you this. See, this is like a max, okay? This is difficult than a max problem. Okay, now it's really perfect. You cannot destroy it. Believe me, it would get destroyed if you would do that. Anything else. So, okay, I was talking about something very important that happened. Don't forget this thing. You have to apply a mascara or something to your eyelashes, because believe me, it just makes your eyes so beautiful. I mean, you can be like, and it can flatter your eyes. It's such a beautiful feeling. This is what I really love about mascara. Okay guys, so I bought eyelash curler, right? Try to use a little mirror. Here I'm using Vega's little mirror. Always to wait in that, because believe me, your eye makeup perfection would come exactly in a second. You don't even need the mascara, just imagine. Okay, so next I'll be using some mascara on this. Look at the difference. Don't look at that mark, okay? This is a mistake that you all will be doing. Don't worry about it. Let it get dry and you just remove it. It's that simple. So just look at the difference in the eyelashes. This is how pretty mascara makes you. Let me quickly get done with this eye also, and I'll get back to you. So guys, now let's get to your cheeks. And okay, my roommate is here. Do you want to say hi? She pretty nice. So she's getting really excited about Navratri. We all are actually getting dressed up because you know it's Navratri. We are away from our families, but believe me, this is one of the best festivals you can, you know, just enjoy. This Diwali. I mean, I love festivals. Okay. Let me just not get carried on. I'm using a beautiful Lakme. You know, this is amazing. I lost its cover, but I love it. It's like Lakme from Lakme Absolute. Yes, it's a lip tint cream. Okay, so you can even use it on your cheeks. So what I love to do is I just apply it right in here, like on my hand, right? So as I told you, it's a festive season, right? So I love these kind of blushes. Don't worry, it's not over. Believe me, I promise you. Look, what a beautiful, you know, lip tint it provides on your cheek tint. Okay, it provides. It's very beautiful. If you are someone who loves coordinating your cheeks and your lips, go ahead with this. I'm not that person. I am sometimes, but I'm really not these days. I love to differentiate. So there are a few people who would love to apply a nude color on this. Trust me, it would look so beautiful if you, because already so much is going on your eyes and on your cheeks. Perks of living in a PG. Ignore it, okay? Alright, just a second. Let it just. Okay. Sneha, your call is coming. Alright. So now, as I told you, if you are on my Instagram, you must have seen this amazing story of mine. I have literally came across to this amazing color. It's from Nykaa. It's called Kashi. Someone is really calling her. Sneha, it's your boyfriend. Okay. She's gonna kill me. I love the design of it. This is so beautiful. I mean, I really love it. I think, gosh, yeah, right. So I'll just mention everything down below about how much ml is in there. But if you even use it every day, I promise you this thing, it's very long lasting. Like if you apply it a day, trust me, it's not gonna get removed till the end of the day. If you don't eat something oily, so then you know, just removes from here. Anyhow, the important thing is that. Go ahead. This is a very beautiful color. I love it. I really love it. So let's see how it looks like on my lips. Imagine. Look. I told you it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And it's not this shiny. Just let it settle for 2 minutes and believe me, it's all matte, so don't worry. I'll quickly get my hair done. I'll wear some jewelry and let's see how the final look looks. Okay, let me just get back. So guys, this is the final look and I hope you all really like it. I'm wearing some traditional South Indian jewelry. I'm wearing a very beautiful traditional bindi. You know, I've never seen bindi of such small size. I love it. Honestly, I do love it. This is so, I mean, this entire look is so pretty, so, you know, so pure, so good. I mean, anyone can do it. So handy. Anyone from, you know, college student to a person who's married, or anyone can do it. This is such an easy makeup look, and it's like a go-to look whenever it comes to a festive season for me. And I love it. I do love it, and I really hope you guys also like it. You can also tie your hair in a bun. It's almost up to you, however you like it. For today, I am liking my hair to be open. I honestly love the jewelry. I really love South Indian jewelry. So this is what I am up to. I'm wearing a beautiful anarkali, which I'll just show you. And yeah, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post amazing content on Instagram. Believe me, I'm a fan of it. Yeah, self-praise, you know. So it's Asta Esme. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube. I'll be so freaking happy to add you in my little family, you know. And yeah, just let me know how can I be of help to you. Like if you, I always follow back most of the people. So if you want, I'll be ready to do that. I'm so happy. I love to, you know, just interact and make a huge family. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.